Welcome to On Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series, Organic Chemistry questions for you. Here, three different hydrogens are labeled PQR. Among that, you have to find most acidic hydrogen. Here, acidity dictated by the easy leaving of H+, hence more stable the anion. Easy release of H+, it will be more acidic. The anion can be stabilized by two ways. Electron withdrawing group stabilize the anion and resonance stabilize the anion. So if you look at our possibility, P is more acidic because P has resonance stability as well as electron withdrawing group attached to that. Electronegativity of carbon is more, so sp2 carbon is electron withdrawing, so easily form anion as well as the anion stabilized by resonance. Hence P hydrogen is most acidic because of sp2 carbon and more resonance structure. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.